Hello and welcome. We are excited to show you our campsite tour of Van Buren State Park in Van Buren, Ohio. Hopefully, this will help you pick a site that fits your needs and eases your experience in the booking process. Each site has 3050 amp along with water. There are no sewer hookup, but there is a dump station. They also have new vault toilets and camping pads. Hope you enjoy.
Now the dump station and the park office are on the way out as you exit the park. Campground. This has the campground and equestrian camp here. So the very first site we come here is site 1. It's Camp Host site. Site 2. Site 3. Takes you back to the family camp. We have a dumpster here and a toilet. Potable water there. Site 4. Now, every site here seems to have a water spigot with it. Site 5. Well, fairly level. Site 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. For equestrian camper section, the site seems very small, and I don't camp with horses, but we do have a camper and a horse trailer, site 11. It doesn't appear that there's much room in here for both units. Site 12. Portable toilets. We have site 13. 22. This is 23. Now this interior loop seems to have a little more potential for shade. This is early spring, late April that we are doing this. There's site 24. Deck for horse mounting. I assume that's what it's for anyway. As I said before, I'm not a horsey person. There's like 28. They all have a water. So 30. 31. And here we have a pull through. So 32. Look at those pit toilets. And that is the same porta pot and dumpster station that you saw earlier, just past site 3. Backside of some of those sites. To pull through. Pull through. 44. 45. Over here at Van Buren State Park, let's take a look at a typical site here. This here would be site 46. Nice asphalt pad. Have your little concrete patio area there. And you have a fire pit. And there is a water fill there. Big stopping block. Put it on your camper, that might hurt you. Your utility pad, water, fill. These are 30, 50 amp sites. And then directly behind this site here is the playground area. You have your really nice playgrounds out there. You have another large basketball court. Over here you have several swings. Oh, you got this rubbery mulch stuff down. Wildflowers walkway.
And we have 2 hours.
Now let's take a stroll over here. Check out the restroom facilities that are here. I guess that was a midweek Tuesday, I believe. Late April. Forest is starting to come along. And no parking or driving on the grass or off the roadway. For John. Although, don't know what would be different between the two of them. And one's marked men, and one's marked women. Here's a look. One last gander around Van Buren State Park over in Ohio. There's no privacy, but it's still new. Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the Camp-N-Hoosiers. Please note, this is not a new state park. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, or comment, and click the notification button so you know when our next video comes out. Also, feel free to check out our other campsite tours. Until then, we'll see you around the campfire.